Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download ChatGPT on Windows. Alright, the first thing that you need to do here is to open up your favorite browser. It could be Brave, Google Chrome, Edge, or whatever browser that is in there on your computer. Now what you're going to do here in the URL box is simply type in ChatGPT. Hit enter and click on the first link right here, which is from OpenAI. Click on that. And once you're in here, just go ahead and locate the button or the hyperlink called Download ChatGPT Desktop. All right, once you have it located, just go ahead and click on it and it will open up this particular page. All right, as you can see here, you can download this on your mobile phone as well for both App Store and Google Play. All right, and as you can see here, it is mainly available for a Mac OS if you are using a desktop. So what about Windows OS? You can download this early version of the Windows app right here at the bottom. All right, just go ahead and click on it. And as you can see here, you can download this one from the Microsoft Store. Just go ahead and click on download right here. But if you want to, don't worry, I'll leave this link in the description so it would be easy for you. All right, once you're in here, just go ahead and click on download. And there will be a download page. Just go ahead and click on save. And as you can see here, the download is done. Just click on the installer. If there's an error that it won't install on your end, don't worry, just hit on OK and it will redirect you to the official Microsoft Store on your computer. And just simply wait for it to prepare to download and the installation will start in a moment. And as you can see here, installing and the percentage of the installation. Let's just wait for it. As you can see here, the installation is done. Just go ahead and click on open to open ChatGPT on your Windows device. As you can see here, just go ahead and log in. If you want to know where to locate the ChatGPT on your Windows, just go ahead and go to your search bar and type in ChatGPT. All right, as you can see here, it is now installed on our computer. If you want to make a shortcut, just go ahead and type in ChatGPT on your search bar. And once located, just go ahead and go to the right side. And you're going to want to select a pin to start right here so you can easily locate it later. All right, pin to start. As you can see, ChatGPT is pinned to start. The next time you click on the start button right here, ChatGPT will be shown right here and also from here. Before, we had the option to simply create a shortcut for ChatGPT, like for example right here. Click on it, then go to more tools. You should be able to see add a shortcut right here, but unfortunately it is now not available. All right, so the only option is by downloading it via the Microsoft Store. And if you don't want the hassle of going to your browser, just go ahead and go to your Microsoft Store right here at the search bar and click on Microsoft Store. And then the URL box, just type in ChatGPT, hit enter, and it will show. All right, that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.